I'm sure this bike needs some work. We're gonna do the chain guides, probably the chain. Gonna pull the head off. We're gonna do the valves and whatnot as well. Joe may port this one, I'm not too sure. Thank you, Frank DeAndrea in Seattle, for picking this thing up for me. Found it. It was 2,800 bucks, which is really cheap. It's got 50K on it. 2,800 bucks is a really good price considering the guy has polished wheels front and back, new tires on it. The pipes are pretty recent too. It's been tuned up and whatever. I would imagine I could probably get 400 bucks for the wheels. Sell the fairings for pretty cheap. The front discs and whatnot, and the calipers, all that stuff. I'm hoping I can get back maybe 1,000, 1,200 bucks on all the other stuff. Titled frame, maybe 1,500 total for everything. Be into the motor here for 1,500 bucks ish would be pretty nice. So gonna go through, pull it all apart, do what needs to be done, refreshing it, do new seals on it, maybe port the head, maybe do some other performance stuff. It's definitely gonna get tuned and whatnot. Good guys from HRP are trying to talk me into doing a turbo kit, and that's not totally off the table, but I don't know. I mean, this is 175 horsepower going in a truck that had 40, and honestly, the 40 horsepower did pretty good. I could do 75 miles an hour. It's a 5-speed, but this is just kind of showing you guys what it is, the bike, kind of our game plan with it, and we're not gonna use a chain drive or anything like that in the back, but it starts and runs. She's a little smoky. All right, so she runs. Does smoke a little bit, but again, it's probably valve seals and whatnot. I'm gonna go through it, but it's perfect for what we're doing.
That's just rear. Put it in low. That's just rear. I think you need to be in low for some reason. Put it in low and do a burnout. See if that's 4. Oh yeah, that's it.
Oh, that's rough.
See what I mean about cookies though? It does not want to break loose in the back.
No. All right, guys, in my home shop here, you guys all know the mini truck, I would think, but basically this is what the Hayabusa motor is going in. It's acting as a storage unit right now for Ed's poker table and some stuff he needs to take home. But basically the engine in this guy starts about here, and it's a 3-cylinder Lade on at the side, and then you've got your transmission, transfer case, rear diff. So my plan here is to pull the seats out. I want to do some harness seats in here. I want to put a cage on this thing. the 4-wheel drive is going to go away, unfortunately, so I don't think I'm going to be able to make it work. But we're going to take this thing in the shop. We're going to take the bed off of it. We're going to get a good look at the frame and how it's all laid out, and then we're going to get the mini truck motor mocked up in here. My guess is I'm going to have to notch this. I'm going to have to notch this bed out here, because this is where I feel like the air bucket is going to come up. So we may have to build a kind of a raised deck, but we still want to use this thing for doing deliveries and picking up bikes local. So yeah, that's the stage of the mini truck right now. It's blown up. So something's wrong with the motor, and I don't really feel like putting much time and energy back into the original motor. So the shifter's probably going to stay there. It's just going to basically work as a upshift, downshift, or vice versa. It's just going to go back and forth. Clutch is going to be the same because hydraulic, Hayabusa's hydraulic, and then we're going to hopefully fit the Hayabusa cluster inside where that one is. So stay tuned. We'll get some videos rolling out of getting this thing tore apart and fabbing in the mounts and everything for this, and a radiator and whatnot. So hey, what are you doing?
We're scooter chop shopping today.
And what are you going to do this bike?
I'm not sure what year it is, but we got a Hayabusa here, and we're taking it all apart and using the motor for the mini truck.
So we're going to take apart a completely good running bike.
Yeah, but it's fine.
All right, should we do one?
What, 2001?
I don't even know what year it is. Well, the best part about this is we won't see it now. It shoots these big basketball-sized flames out the tips. We do one final rev limiter bounce before we take it apart.
It's nice and warmed up already, too.
Is it warm? That didn't sound right. Do it again.
Lightly used mufflers for sale.
All right.
We have a buyer who wants to buy your house.
Oh, yeah, I would definitely sell my house for sure.
So how much do you want from the house? Like, how much price do you want from the house?
I would like $1,500. $1,500
How
for
much?
$1,500. It's a Honda. It's a Honda Civic. It's 5-speed, sunroof, new tires, exhaust and intake. You buy?
Well, can I have your first name, please?
Juan?
What's your name? Can I have your name?
Juan? My name is Juan.
Your name is Bruce.
My name is Juan. You buy house?
Know by that.
My name is Juan. You buy my house? My Civic?
No.
With the new muffler? Alright, Hayabusa's taken apart for the most part. Need to go a little bit further on that. There's the pile of parts, scrap bin stuff. There's Chris. All the fairings we're going to sell. So here's what we ended up with. The airbox sits on top here. We're going to pull it apart and do valve seals and a few other things. So the idea here is to take this sprocket off, and our drive shaft is going to come right off the back here. So we're going to take the sprocket off and probably weld on a thicker steel plate and then drill it and tap it to match the flange for the drive shaft. So, so yeah, that's the next step. Got our ECU our cluster and everything here, wiring harness. So yeah, we're gonna get this thing close. Next video should be the mini truck in here ripped down to a frame and mocking this guy up. Stay tuned.
All right,
Race
third
time.
honk. You ready?
Oh shit, they're pulling away, bro! No! No, they got you!
Sunfire.
Is that maxed out, bro?
Yeah, it's full throttle. That's all she's got in the Hyundai.
Oh no, the Sunfire just smoked
touch
you!
it up. Ooh, it smells bad.
Oh, it smells so bad. Is that us or the Sunfire?
Well, that's, I don't know.
Oh no!
Like, oh, he's pulling on me.
Dude.
I mean, Sunfire's a hot little number.
Oh no!
We're not even breaking the speed limit. These cars are so slow.